Welcome to Meowtropolis, the community cat room at the Humane Society of Southern Arizona, dedicated to the cats that aren't doing well in our shelter environment. It's a cage-free room where the cats' personalities can come out and they can truly blossom. Today we're showcasing 4 of our residents: Moola, a 15-year-old black and white female cat; Thunder, a 6-year-old brown tabby female; Pookie, a 9-year-old brown tabby female; and Beggar, a 12-year-old red tabby male. Please come meet them today. You'll fall in love.